Moms and dads, Mr. Esposito, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School, and
Mr. Goff, 6th grade math, Ralph Chandler
Middle School. Moms and dads, what did we do today? Mr. Goff and Mr. Esposito, we've been on a little sabbatical. You know what a sabbatical is? Tell them what a sabbatical is.
It's when you take a little time off from something that you're doing to research and do some other things. And that's what we were doing. We were researching and doing other things while we were off from our videos.
Excellent. We're doing a lot of research, ladies and gentlemen.
Mr.
Esposito's smiling. Big
Look at
smiles.
that. Big smiles on him.
Now, I'm going to tell you right here, today, Mom and Dad, we're going a lot of things. We're going over migration, we're going over behaviors, we're going over instincts, we're going over innate behaviors, we're going over learned behaviors, conditioning, insight, okay, reflexes, trial and error, operant conditioning, things like that. And it's in their textbook. It's in their ISNs. We've got a lot of material to cover. If you look in their ISNs today, we went over something like this. I showed it to you very quick. I don't want you to see what we're doing and find the answers. But we did something just like that on migration. It was a little quiz that we took today. Tomorrow we're going to be going over some more quiz material. And we're going to do some reviewing for the benchmark test. We're going to do the benchmark test on Thursday. It's going to count as a grade. Best teacher ever, Mr. Goff.
That's me.
It's such a nice thing, isn't it? Now, if I knew he was going to do that, I would have taken my 4,000 papers that said Mr. Esposito was the best teacher. But I didn't.
Anyway.
No, ladies and gentlemen, we're taking the benchmark test, blah, blah. Make that benchmark. My mouth from the Novocaine, this tooth, I had some dental work in it.
That's right. That Novocaine is just wearing on and on.
I can't even talk because my mouth feels like, still there. So take it over, Mr. Goff.
Okay, in math, what we're doing is we had a math test last week in Math 6, okay? And so we're starting our new chapter. Today we started Chapter 7. The first thing we did in Math 6 was percents and fractions. We were changing percents to fractions and fractions to percents. Okay, no homework tonight because it's something that's kind of easy to get, all right? Now, if you have any questions about that, come to me early in the morning. I'm always here by 7:30, so kids are allowed to come in down the hall at 7:45, and I love going over the information and making sure they get it. Anytime in the morning they can come, I'm here. Now, Math 7, we're finishing up Chapter 7 in Math 7, and today we talked about sales tax and discounts. No homework, we just figured out how to find the sales tax and the discount and determine what you're going to be paying. And then tomorrow, we're going to be getting into interest, simple interest. So, if you have a savings account, kind of figure out how that works. Okay, and then we're going to have a test this week in Math 7 on Chapter 7. Thursday and Friday, we're having the test. Okay, so you better be ready. Now, what else? Oh, look at this little guy here.
Oh, it's that little bear. This is Mr. Goff's bear. Take it, bear.
Hey, bear.
Oh, stimulus response.
He's trying to kill me. Oh my God!
It's a killer rabbit.
Is that it? Is that it, Mr. Esposito?
I believe that is it. We'll be back tomorrow when it comes to
Yeah, we'll be back tomorrow with a lot more information. Our sabbatical is over. Okay, so Mr. Goff, 6th grade math, Ralph Chandler Middle School, and
Mr. Esposito, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School. Boom.